gave me a bonus blessing that day. So I was born with color distortion. I forget the name for it. It's some really, really long, like 18-letter word. But basically it means you can't see red and green, right? And even that definition is shorter than the actual word. But I lived my entire life with that color distortion. And as soon as we got up from praying, God healed my heart from the bitterness. He healed my heart from the hate. He healed my eyes from the blindedness of the hate. But then I walked out of this building and I could see full color for the first time. God healed my literal eyes. I did not even do it. Because God is good. And God is blessed. And God is faithful. So he really, God helped me out along the way. I mean, even before I got up here, Jeff has been going through this journey of